بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay. Were there pandemic at the time of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam in the Islamic history? The answer is yes. Then what should we do? Number one, your belief, your iman, your faith is going to show up. What should I believe in? Here I am. I'm hearing it all over. I could have heard of someone I know got infected. What my belief teaches me. What does Islam teaches me? Number one. And it's all from the Quran. قل لن يصيبنا إلا ما كتب الله لنا هو مولانا وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون. This is in Surah At-Tawbah. The first thing you have to have this belief. You walk in the streets, you are in your home, you're listening to the news, whatever you are, with this belief, and this should be 24/7. But I'm talking specifically when this comes up. قل لن يصيبنا إلا ما كتب الله لنا. Say, nothing will affect us except what Allah have decreed on us. That's number one. Number two, in the same ayah, because this is connected. قل لن يصيبنا إلا ما كتب الله لنا. Right? هو مولانا. He is my protector. وعلى الله, and upon Allah فليتوكل المؤمنون. Upon Allah, rely on Allah, the believer will rely on Allah. What does that mean? Translate. I have this belief that the only one who will protect me is Allah. I have to have this belief that no one will protect me except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We don't have that. Or we have it, but sometimes we do, or sometimes we don't. You really have to have this belief. And why I'm starting with this, because a couple of the preventions that I'm going to share with you is all depend on this one. You have to have this yaqeen, this certainty that no one will protect me except Allah. I keep saying this to myself. Who allowed this virus to move from the animal to the human being? Who allowed it? Absolutely. Nobody else but Allah. Who allowed it to spread from one human being to the other is Allah. Who will prevent it or stop it or kill it? Allah. You really have to have this, and you have to engrave it in you, number one, and in everybody in your family. And you have to show it. It's not a word. You have to show it. So number one, rely on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Number two, also in this concept, what should I do? What should I believe? What should I believe in? وَمَنْ يَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ فَهُوَ حَسْبُهُ. The person who truly rely on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, truly rely on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah is enough for him. And how should I rely on Allah? Again, I'm coming to it in a little bit. My rely on Allah is how sincere I am in my supplication to Allah. And I'll share with you a couple of that. So number one is I need to have this belief that what will befall me will never miss me. And what will miss me will never befall me. Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam said this, Ya ghulam inni u'allimuka kalimat. This is Sayyidina Abdullah ibn Abbas. He taught him a long hadith, and wa'alam. And know, if the whole ummah, whole nation came together to harm you, they will not harm you except with something Allah have decreed it. Literally, this is how I have to live in any time I'm going through a calamity, let alone something it's becoming global.